This part moves slow and clear. Each line shows a real scene. You can follow without stress. It still feels new each time. Part 2. The Ghost Below.
The rich family leaves the house. Their car disappears in rain. The gate closes slowly. Silence fills the yard. The Kim family steps inside. Shoes drop on the floor. Bodies sink into sofas. Soft cushions hold them. Whiskey pours into glasses. Rain hits the wide windows. City lights blur outside. Kiwoo dreams of this life. Kiwoo dreams of this life. He sees a future here. He sees a future here. This place feels possible. This place feels possible. Night grows deeper outside. A sharp bell rings. Glasses stop mid-ear. Eyes turn to the door. A camera's screen lights up. A woman stands in rain. Her face shows dark bruises. Clothes cling to her skin. She looks weak and cold. It is the old housekeeper. It is the old housekeeper. The door opens a little. Rain flows onto marble. She asks to come inside. She asks to come inside. She says she forgot things. She says she forgot things. Her voice shakes with fear. Her voice shakes with fear. The mother looks at her. Her heart softens fast. Her heart softens fast. The door opens wide. They walk into the house. They move toward the kitchen. Lights turn on inside. A tall cabinet blocks a wall. Hands push the cabinet. The cabinet slides away. A hidden door appears. Cold air flows out. Stairs go down below. Steps echo in the dark. A small room waits below. A man stands still there. His skin looks pale. His body looks thin. Fear hits the mother hard. Fear hits the mother hard. The truth comes out slowly. The truth comes out slowly. He hides from loan sharks. He hides from loan sharks. He lived here for years. Food came down at night. Lights blinked upstairs. His thanks stayed unseen. His thanks stayed unseen. The woman drops to her knees. She begs again and again. She begs again and again. She wants him to stay. She wants him to stay. The mother grabs her phone. She thinks of calling police. She thinks of calling police. A noise comes from stairs. 3 bodies lose balance. They fall down together. A loud crash breaks silence. A name shouts out loud. The woman freezes in shock. The woman freezes in shock. She sees the truth now. She sees the truth now. They are all family. They are the family. Her phone lifts high. Video starts to record. She makes a clear threat. She makes a clear threat. Power shifts at once. Power shifts at once. Bodies rush across the room. Hands grab and pull. The house turns chaotic. Poor people fight poor people. Poor people fight poor people. They fight for this place. They fight for this place. More bodies stand on one side. They push the others down. Rope ties tied knots. Bodies drag across floor. They fall into the basement. A phone rings upstairs. The mother answers fast. Rain ruins the camping trip. 8 minutes remain now. She asks for noodles. Panic spreads through the house. Panic spreads through the house. Water boils in a pot. Sauce spills on stove. Hands wipe tables fast. Bottles hide under seats. Trash piles in corners. 3 bodies crawl low. They slide under table. Breath stays very quiet. The front door opens. Wet shoes step inside. Bags drop on floor. The house looks clean. Hot noodles reach the table. The couple eats slowly. They rest on the sofa. A strange smell floats nearby. A strange smell floats nearby. The man talks in disgust. The man talks in disgust. He hates that smell. He hates that smell. It comes from the driver. It comes from the driver. Shame breaks something inside. Shame breaks something inside. Rain pounds the windows. Bodies slip out the door. Feet run downhill fast. Water fills the streets. They reach a public gym. Bright lights turn on. Many people lie on floors. Bags and blankets spread out. This is home tonight. This is home tonight. Rain keeps falling outside. The night feels very long. Wealth feels far away. Wealth feels far away. Morning light enters slowly. Faces looked tired and blank. This night splits their lives. This night splits their lives.
We tell movie stories in simple English, so you can picture everything in your mind and learn English naturally through understanding. Follow the channel and make learning English easier.